G'day, I'm Peter from Team Low Range 4x4 and this is a 70,000k review of my BF Goodrich KO2s. First of all, you might have thought, well, hang on, you've just done a review on your BF Goodrich KO2s. And that is true. A few months ago, I did a 60,000k review. And it's only taken that long for me to rack up 70,000k's because I commute quite regularly in this vehicle and therefore I do a lot of Ks. But what kind of four-wheel driving have I done in that time? Let me have a think. And of course, as you would have seen, the main part of my driving is highway commuting. So, what is the wear and tear like after the previous 10,000 Ks? As you can see, I've got quite a lot of tread left. In fact, the car went in for a service not too long ago and they measured the depth of the tyres is around 7 mils left in each tyre. 7 to 6 mils. So as you can see, the wear and tear on the KO2s is still fantastic. All right, any other things to mention? Well, yes, I have noticed in the past 10,000 Ks, I am starting to get a hum inside the cabin. And it's when I'm reaching highway speeds of 100 kilometers an hour, I will get that consistent hum. And I put it down to the fact that when the blocks are getting lower to the actual threshold of the tyre, the wind can't travel through them the same way, you don't get the same acoustics, and therefore we're getting to that point where that is going to become more prevalent and more prevalent as time goes on. So what am I going to do? Am I going to keep running my KO2s until they can't run no more? Well, I don't think so. I really think it's time for me to upgrade to a mud tyre. Now, I'm not sponsored by BF Goodrich in any way, shape or form, but I am happy with the past 3 years and these tyres to say that I would like to give their mud terrain, the KM3, a go. And I believe before I do my next proper off-roading adventure that I will have the KM3s on my Hilux. Now, in between now and then, I'm still going to give the KO2s a good thrashing. I still have a few more videos to shoot around about where the KO2s will be involved. But I feel our next adventure, which will be, I don't want to say yet because we haven't 100% locked it in, but it's going to be exciting. So back to the KO2s. Can I recommend the BF Goodrich KO2 still? Well, I've had a few people contact me through forums and in comments, basically stating that when they replaced their previous set of BF Goodrich tyres with the KO2s, that they've found issues with them. Issues in they just don't seem to be as reliable, they've had a couple of punctures, that they're noisy, that they feel that the compound is different. And you know, it's very difficult for me to pass judgment or comment on these particular issues because I've only ever had the one set of tyres, and maybe there is a difference in there. My advice would be do your research, check out videos like this. I'm very happy with the KO2s that I've had on the car. They're doing really well. Apart from the issues through wear over time, I have not had an issue. They hold their pressure, they climb rocks, they do mud, they do everything I'm asking from them, except the most challenging of challenging things. And that is why I feel that a mud terrain is my, mud terrain? Is it a mud terrain? A mud tyre is my next project for this vehicle. But if you're doing commuting like me, check out all the brands, because 3 years is a long time for tyre technology to change. So have a look. I would still recommend the KO2s. Have a look at them, ask questions about them, see what the forums have to say. My opinion is solely opinion. It is not science. It's nothing else other than an opinion. I've had a great time with the KO2s. Hopefully, if you go down that path, you'll have a great time with the KO2s. If you find another tyre brand that you really think is great, please mention it in the comments. You never know, I might be able to dive in and have a look at those tyres in the future. Alright, I'm Peter from Team Low Range 4x4, and I'll catch you on the tracks.